Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for the latest and hottest unboxings. Today I've got something super special for all the sneakerheads out there. We're unboxing a pair of kicks that's turning heads all over the world, the Jordan 4 Retro Red Cement. Trust me, if you love bold designs with that classic Jordan flair, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's talk about what makes these Jordans so special. The Jordan 4 Retro Red Cement is a fresh twist on a classic. It features premium white leather uppers that feel top tier the moment you touch them. And check out those pops of fire, red and black. They give the shoe that eye-catching, statement-making vibe. Whether you're rocking these on the street or just flexing on the gram, these are built to stand out while staying true to the legendary Jordan 4 design. I know what you're thinking. Where can I get my hands on these? I've got you covered. There's a website currently running a special sale. Now, when you visit the website from the description, you'll see they've got more than just Jordans. There are also some dope accessories and clothing options to complete your look. So while you're grabbing your pair, make sure to check out what else they have. Also, huge shout out to the team behind this sale. They're super responsive if you have questions, and they've made the buying experience really smooth. Whether you reach out via their social media or the contact numbers provided, you'll get the help you need. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, let me put you onto highfoot.ru, a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community. This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations, highfoot.ru has something that'll match your vibe, and the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets highfoot.ru apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, highfoot.ru delivers big on style, trust, and value. So on the Jordan 4 Retro Red Cement, you'll find the link in the description below, along with all the contact info, social media accounts, and more. It's super easy to order. Just click, pick your size, and you're all set. Don't wait too long, though. These are hot and sizes are selling out fast. That's it for today's unboxing on See My Review. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more unboxings and reviews, and drop a comment if you're thinking about copying a pair. And remember, all the links to shop, social media, and customer support are right there in the video description. And customer support are right there in the video description. Stay fresh, stay fly, and I'll see you in the next one.